Jerry back with @TheatricallyJerry, and today I'm going to show you how to use the effects engine on Code's Victory 3. It is a rainy and stormy day out, so I thought it would be the perfect time to do a tutorial on Code's Victory 3, and there's nothing more exciting than using an effects engine built into your light console. So I'm going to be using these three 36 by 1 watt LED pars. There's 6 here, sorry. They're 36 by 1 watt. I'm going to be using them as an example for the effects engine on Code's Victory 3, just to show you guys how easy it is to create some cool looking effects. And so let's begin. I'm gonna go ahead and pan over here to my Code Victory 3, and right now we're going to need to select our 36 by 1 watt, and the easiest way to do that is through groups. So I'm gonna let you guys see a little bit better of a thing here, but I hit that and it selects all 6 of my 36 by 1 watt LED pars. And to do effects, we're going to come on over here to our side menu here. We're going to hit effects. That is going to load the effects engine here. And as you can see, there's a lot going on here, and it can get very confusing and messy quick. So I'm going to try to do this as easily as possible for you guys. So now that we have our par LED selected, we're going to go ahead and just bring up, let's say, blue. So we got to make sure our dimmer is up. And as you can see, we have our blue LED par lights all lit up, so there's 6 of them. Now I want to do an intensity effect because I would like a chase for this. So what we're going to do is select intensity effect over here on the left, and I want this blue LED to be a dimmer chase. So we're going to select that, and when we select it, Code's Victory 3 is automatically going to apply it to all 6 LED pars. As you can see, the chase is going from left to right, but what if we want it to go from right to left? So in order to do that, we're going to come back over here, and we're just going to simply hit direction. And as a habit, I like to hit effect synchronization, just because it refreshes the effect. Now when we come over here, you can see we are going this direction. So this is very simple. It's kind of boring looking. If you want to mix it up, we can go ahead and actually take out our blue here. So just hit release. And that was our intensity effect, which is loaded. However, we took our blue out. Well, let's go to color effects. And in color effects, there's a bunch of options you can select. Let's try to do a RGB rainbow. So now, as you can see, we have a chase going in the direction we selected before, but now it's an RGB rainbow. This RGB rainbow is not exactly what I was looking for. So let's go back over here. And as you can see, these are highlighted. Go ahead and hit delete selected. And let's try this rainbow chase. Now as you can see, the rainbow chase has loaded. And if you look, it actually does do a rainbow chase here on my wall. But it's not exactly something I'm looking for, so this is a tutorial, so let's go ahead and try something else. So let's do a blue and green. I'm going to do a blue spread here. And as you can see, now we have a blue spread going through here, but it looks kind of weird, right? That is because we need to adjust the parameters of the effect, because we only have 6 pars here. So something that is going to greatly adjust that is width. Right now we have it at 80. I'm going to set it to 20. We are going to come down here and adjust center to above 100. And now we have a blue spread chase, but I also want to introduce a green spread chase. So let's go ahead and hit green. Now we have both blue and green, but I want my green to go in the other direction just to give it some breakup. So I'm going to hit direction while I have green selected, and I'm going to have it go in the other direction. Now this doesn't look exactly how I want it, and that is because the green spread, we need to adjust its width, and we also need to adjust center. So as you can see, we got a really cool blue-green effect here. That's kind of boring though. Let's go ahead and take these out. There's some other interesting effects built in to Code Victory 3. We can do blue OE, which means blue odd even. So it's going to light up odds and then evens. Let's go ahead and select a green odd even. That's going to do a green and blue odd even. And I'm going to adjust center. And also adjust the width to 20. It's set to 80 right now. So now we have a blue and green odd even. Interesting. As you know, this is a LED par, so you're not going to be able to do position effects with it, but you can do color and intensity effects. Let's go ahead and take this out. And just because we're doing a tutorial here, let's do something simple. So let's just select green. So I've got green selected here, and this is a green effect. Just a simple chase, but I want to do an intensity effect. So let's go ahead and hit intensity effect. And instead of a chase, let's try dimmer, even, and odd. So as you can see, it's changed the look of it. Now you can adjust all of this look just down here with our effect speed. So right now it's set to 15 beats per minute. Let's try 120. Now it's set to 120 beats per minute. And I'm going to adjust the spread on it. It's at 50. We're going to bring it up to 250. So you can get a lot of different effects, and of course we could go on and on with this tutorial, but I just want to show you guys some important things. So let's say I like this look here, but I want to save it. Something very important here is make sure you have both of these selected or it's not going to save correctly. Go up to your user menu here, hit add new or edit, select a empty box here. We have all of this is parameters we can set for an effect. Just gonna go ahead and hit cancel here. Hit save selected, hit 1. You're going to name the effect. In this case, I'm going to name it green chase. So hit backspace here to delete that. Then we're going to hit keyboard to write, and I'm going to name it green chase 1 because it's one style of a chase that's green. Hit enter, hit confirm. We now have green chase 1. This is green chase 1. I'm going to, these are already selected, so hit delete selected to clear that out, just so we can test this. So see, it's cleared out, and now I'm going to hit my user preset, green chase 1, and there we have it. We have a saved effect, and as you can see, when you do hit that, it's going to show you what you saved in that effect right here. You can also delete your user effect or delete all effects right here. But I don't want to delete it right now. I want to show you guys how you can edit it. So hit add new or edit up here at the top. Select your preset, and this is how you can edit your user effect preset. It's going to show you everything that you save. So we have our speed 15, 120 beats per minute. That's for the dimmer. 15 beats per minute for the color. It's going to tell you your effect attribute over here. Then you can go ahead and edit it if you don't like it later on with all of these options. So you could do speed. It's gonna warn you to select an attribute. So let's select this because it's the slowest speed, 15 beats per minute. Let's bump it up to 30 beats per minute. And also, let's say I don't like the direction, so let's go ahead and change direction here. To go ahead and hit direction down here to change it. So direction. Now as you can see, we have two different directions here. You can also select your mode from absolute to relative. I keep it at relative or absolute. Sorry, and you could also hit select effects form, and we have a bunch of pre-built effects. Each one of these is going to give you a different look. So let's say I have it on phase. Let's say I want to change it to linear. So right now this is on phase, and this is what linear is going to look like. So now we have that linear. This is a different look. Let's say we want to change that though to something else. We're gonna hit select effect form. Let's try random. So because there's only one color, it's not going to do a whole lot. You have to keep that in mind. But I'm going to go ahead and update this, and now we have it at random. So random's just going to cause a bunch of strobing and blinking for the green color. So there's a lot of different looks you can get with Codes Victory 3's effects engine. I mean, it goes on and on forever. You can save up to 196 user preset effects. You can also select from all of their preset effects. So I have this saved under all effects, but you can actually save these 196 each under its correct setting. So you could save a user effect as intensity effect, position, color, beam, or other effect, and it's going to show up here. As you can see, the one I saved is under other effects, or also all effects. I'm going to go ahead and delete this because I don't want it anymore. You just hit delete user effect and select it. Under presets, you can see all the effects. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I can show you how many there are total. So Code has included 182 effects themselves, and it can go down to 245. So there can be 245 effects total. And they have neatly organized them over here as submenus. So there's your intensity effects right here, your color effects, your position effects if you have a moving head, beam effects, and other effects. And they will update these with firmware updates. They will add more effects down the line if they have any. So you can do that as well. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching this quick tutorial on how to create your own effects with the Code Victory 3. We can go more in depth on it later. Right now I just wanted to do a quick cover of it and show you guys what's going on here. Before I let you guys go, we're going to delete this effect, and I'm going to do a rainbow effect really fast. So I'm going to hit rainbow 1. And we have a really cool look here, but let's say I don't like that. Let's try rainbow 2. Here's rainbow 2's built-in effect. Let's try color 1, spread 1. It's not going to do anything because we have no colors brought up on our LED pars. If you want to do color effects, you need your color on your color mix attribute brought up for it to do something, but let's try red swap 2. There's red swap 2. Let's try green swap 1 with red swap 2. Let's try blue swap 1 with red swap 2. Okay. Let's try rainbow swap 3. And delete red swap 2. Let's try rainbow swap 1. Here's rainbow step 1. And here's rainbow step 3. And let's go ahead and adjust our width to 20. And our center and our size. We can get a cool effect here. Let's try color. No, let's try rainbow step. So here's Rainbow Step without a chase on it. Here's Rainbow Swap 2 without a chase on it. Here's Blue Step. Here's Green Step and Blue Step. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching this quick tutorial. If you do have any questions about Codes Victory 3, go ahead and leave it down below and I'll respond to it. If you have any needs for tutorials on Codes Victory 3, you can also leave a comment down below and I will try to do a tutorial on it. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel at TheatricallyJerry. If you enjoy stuff like this, stage lighting, DJ lighting, atmospherics, and equipment, I do a lot of reviews on those. Also, I would appreciate if you guys would go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it, and thank you guys for watching.